Hola estudiantes, bienvenidos a la clase de español 412, conversación y composición avanzada. This is a video to show you how to navigate our course through Canvas and which are the tabs that you should be reviewing and getting familiar with in order to succeed in this class. So in the first tab, we have home, and I'm going to be sending an announcement before the beginning of each week. So that means that our class will begin the 7th, January 7th, and you should be seeing an announcement here before the beginning of the class. This announcement will mark the activities that we have for the week so you don't miss anything, but also you can see it only by reviewing the models. But let's go and see the announcements. Right now we don't have any announcements. If we go to the syllabus, you can see the description of the course. This is a 3-credit class. You must have been in 314 or 316. And here is a video so you can get to know me a little bit. My email, and you can schedule appointments if you have questions or want to discuss an activity, a grade, etc. Here you have the objectives of the class. Also, we're not going to use a physical textbook, but we do use a platform. So make sure that you have access to to VHL. For that, you will have some computer requirements for that and for the entire class. So make sure you follow this list and everything is ready to begin. And some recommendations on how to be successful in an online environment. You must be aware of the activities on daily basis. If there is any change, I will send it through announcements. So of course, read the announcements, read and respond to course email messages as needed, complete assignments by the due dates specified, communicate regularly with your instructor and peers, create a study or assignment schedule to stay on track, and access ASU Online student resources to see what else is available for you. And here are the evaluation. Here is the evaluation criteria, so you can see what you can get. Remember that all the activities are going to be due on Arizona time, so make sure you know what time you need to submit your assignments. If you have any late assignment, you have to notify me before the assignment is due in order to be considered to be accepted. We also have a community forum that you can use when you have general questions, and when you have personal questions, you can email me after reading the syllabus and the instructions and make sure that you review everything. Then please send me an email if there are still some questions. In this class, we need to use our official email account. Okay, every email that I'll send will be through your official email. All the documents that I upload here on the platform to share with you will be only accessed through your email accounts. So if you try to open them with a personal email, you won't be able to visualize the document. So make sure you're doing it through your ASU email. Remember to read the ASU Online course policies, the accessibility statements, etc., etc. And here you have a course summary, and you can access actually from these links and see what is due. So in our first week that begins on January 7, we have 6 assignments that are due on January 13. That is going to be a Sunday, so they're going to be due at 11:59 p.m. Arizona time. I'm going to show you later where to find the Arizona time. So we will have on the first week Module 0 and Module 1. So you have una prueba, taller de ensayo, tareas en Supersite VHL y glosario. So this is it with the syllabus. You can see the summary, and then we're going to go back to the next tab, modules. In this tab, you can access the things that are available. So you have to review links and tools to know if this is the right course for you, if you would like to complete a minor or a major, if you want to study abroad. We have excellent programs in Argentina, Spain, Mexico, etc. We have many countries. And Centro de Escritura y Tutoría, where you can get some extra help. For example, if you're completing a written assignment and you already review it, and you want to, let's say, review a sentence that you're not sure about, then you can attend this center. Some helpful websites, how to write with accents, and VoiceThread. We're going to be using VoiceThread in the future. So if you don't know that program, you can get to know it here. So in the first week, we have Module 0, and these are the assignments. We're going to review the welcome to the class. In this section, you have a list of all the things that you need to review before we begin the class. The video you're watching now must be inserted here. Some information about me, my video again, and the next steps. Read the syllabus, community forum, virtual office hours. My virtual office hours will be mainly on Tuesdays during the morning, but we can schedule different times if you need it. Now let's go to modules again. We have the first quiz that is about the syllabus, academic integrity agreement, and which is very, very important that you complete is this section, sesiones virtuales participation. So in this part, we explain what are the sesiones virtuales about, and I'm going to be posting the link so you can just click on it and access to the meeting on the day and time that you select. And here is a document where you will sign up in the time slot of your convenience. And so make sure you read all the instructions here. And let's go back to modules, and let's see. As you can see, we don't have the next module available because you need to complete the first module in order to visualize the next one. So in case you're thinking about missing homework, there's no way, because you cannot move on to the next week without doing the previous week. So let's check here. You have Arizona time, so you can just see it whenever you need it. And also here are the grades in case you have any grades to review, right? This is going to be the set. This so let's go back to modules again. In the upcoming weeks, you will have glossario. Glossario is explained in these modules, you go to welcome, and there is a list. So in this list you can see we also have sesiones virtuales, tenemos the BHL homework, and we cannot visualize the glossario here, but I have it here for you. So when it becomes available for you, this is what you will see. So you have to write término cultural o regionalismo. For example, let's say guagua. That in English is going to be a bus. So, definición en español, vehículo que transporta a muchas personas diariamente. And we can add vehículo, for example, vehículo público, right? And that's it. And then in Fuente, you're going to copy and paste here the website where you got this, the meaning or the example, and then you're going to type your name, okay? So that's what you will be doing. Every module has a different tab, so make sure that when you access this document, you go to the right tab. And yeah, this is it for our class. You will be able also to visualize the calendar for our class, that it's already available. So I hope this is easy for you. I think it's a quite friendly setting. And if you have questions, just make sure to complete the assignments with enough time so you can ask me about the questions you have. And this is it. All right. Thank you, and I'll see you pretty soon.